Hello, my dear student. How are you all? I hope you are doing good. I am Rashmi, again welcoming you on my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi. As we have seen many shortcut methods till now, and I hope that you have applied all those methods in different example for the same type of scenario, right? So, if you are getting any problem, getting stuck somewhere, then you have to put your doubt in the comment box for that particular question. I'll make a video so that it will help you to to get the information how you simply have to do that or how you have to move ahead to simplify that problem. And before that, you have to simply like my video, share it to your friends, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon button so that your friends will also get the benefit of all these shortcut methods, your friends, family, relative, whosoever you will be sharing. Okay, so let's get started with another topic in which we have to find out the number of zeros. That means whenever we are going to add many numbers, many. I am not saying any two or three number, many numbers, or doing the subtraction, or doing the multiplication or division. At the end, how many zeros will come? So from the end, how many zeros are going to come? That we have to actually learn. So without doing much of the calculation, how quickly we will be able to find out only number of zeros, that we will be looking. But before we learn about the number of zeros, we should know one more thing, that is how can we find the maximum power of any prime number? Not any number, only prime number. So maximum powers of prime number we will be discussing how we can find out. For that we have to take some example. So here the example can be this type of also, that directly the number will be given to you. So for that case, you already know, you simply have to factorize it and you have to check how many times 2 is there in the factorization, how many times 3 is there, 5 is there, whatsoever the prime number by which it is divisible. Okay, so find maximum power of all prime number by whichever this 135 is divisible. So 135 we will factorize this, and even 268 also we will factorize, so that we will get an idea about that how many times it will be divisible by 2. That power of 2 will help us to get the power of prime number 2, get the power of prime number 3. अभी इसमें जरूरी नहीं है कि हर प्राइम नंबर से डिवाइड हो, 2 से भी, 3 से भी, 5 से भी, 7 से भी, 11 से भी, सबसे डिवाइड हो, ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है. So we will check by whichever it is divisible, we will be definitely doing it. So let's begin with this part, 135. By 2, this will not be divisible because the last digit is not the even number, right? So we will be dividing it by the next prime number 3. We have the rules of divisibility with us. We simply have to find out the sum of the digits of the number. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9 is coming in the table of 3, or we can say 9 is the multiple of 3. If 9 is divisible by 3, that means 135 will also be divisible. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. 13 minus 12 gives us 1 and 5 make it 15. So 3 5s are 15. Again by 3 it is possible to divide 15 times, right? 3 ones are 3, remainder 1, and 5 comes down, which makes it 15. Again by 3, yes. Then by 5, one time only. So 135 can be expressed as 3 to the power 3 multiply 5 to the power 1. So if they ask us find the maximum power of prime number 2 while expressing 135, so prime number 2 has power 0, because in the prime factorization we are not getting 2, right? But maximum power of 3 prime number is 3. Maximum power of 5 prime number is 1. Maximum power of 7 prime number is 0. For 11 also it will be 0. So whichever comes in here in the factorization will be calling that number power, will be called the maximum power. Okay. So now it's time to divide this 268. I will be doing it on the next page. 268. By 2 it is clearly, we can see it is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Then 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14. Then 67 itself is a prime number. So 268 can be written as 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 67 to the power 1. So if they ask us express this 268 or give the maximum power of 2 while expressing 268. So what is the maximum power of 2 here? 2 is the maximum power for 2. For 3 the maximum power is 0. So for 2 maximum power for 2 is 2. For 3 it is 0. Even for 5 also it is 0. For 7 also it is 0. For 11 also it is 0. Make sure you only have to give the power for prime number, not for composite numbers. 9, 8, 7, 9, 8, 4, 6 and 12 other numbers will not be included here. Then directly we have the prime number 67 here. Other than these 2 and 67 we don't have any other prime number. For maximum power here, maximum power of 3 and 5. For 3, we have 3 power. For 5, we have 1 power. For 7, for 2, the power is 0. For 11 also the power is 0. For 17 also the power is 0. So maximum power of 3 is 3, maximum power of 5 is 1. It does not mean always we will be getting same into the power whatever the base is there. 3 की power 3 हमेशा ही नहीं होगा. It can be 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 also. Right? 5 has only one power, 2 has power 0. So this way we have to find out the powers. I'll show you how this will be helpful to us to find the number of zeros. Because when we have normally a number is given, that is very easy for us to express it into the form of this. Right? Now here we have to find the maximum power of prime number in this product form of question we have. Number is not directly given to us. It is given to us as 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 multiply 5. So in short we can call it 5 factorial, right? Because 5 whatever the number is there, n factorial का मतलब क्या होता है? n को डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में मल्टीप्लाई करते जाएंगे. n को उसके प्रीडिसर के साथ में तब तक मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे until we do not get 1. So n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 till 1, right? 5 factorial, that means 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. 18 factorial, that means 18 multiply 17 multiply 16 multiply 15 multiply dash 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 till 1. All the number from 18 till 1 in descending order we have to keep on multiplying, right? सो ये बहुत टाइम टेकिंग हो जाएगा एक एक को फैक्टराइज करना, क्योंकि हमको प्राइम नंबर्स चाहिए. 1 is not the prime number, 2 is a prime number which has power 2, 3 is a prime number which has power 3, 4 is not the prime number but 4 can be written as 2 power 1 multiply 2 power 1, 5 is a prime number which can be written as 5 to the power 1. So maximum power of 2. How many times 2 is coming? 1, 2, 3. 2 to the power 3. Or we can write it as 2 to the power 3 into this way. So 3 is the power for the prime number 2. Maximum power for 3. Look how many times 3 is coming. 3 is coming only one time. So 3 to the power 1. Maximum power of 3 is 1. What is the maximum power of 5? So maximum power of 5 is also 1. 5 is coming only one time. Look, only one time 5 is there. So in short, this number was nothing but 120. 3 2s are 6, 6 multiply 4 multiply 5 gives us 120. So when you factorize 120, you will be getting exact the same thing. So 120. अगर नंबर आप सबको मल्टीप्लाई करके, if it is easy for you to get the number, like if you have to get the value for 100 factorial, that means 100 multiply 99 multiply 98 ऐसे करते करते आपको 1 तक जाना पड़ेगा. So it will be a lot of time wasting for us to get the number. फिर वो नंबर को और हम ब्रेकअप करें और उसको फैक्टराइज करें, फिर वो और टाइम टेकिंग हो जाएगा. एंड देन वी हैव टू चेक हाउ मेनी टाइम्स 2 is coming, 3 is coming, 5 is coming, whatsoever the number is there, right? So rather than doing it into that way, look, this gives me, just a minute, so sorry, yeah. So this gives me 2 6 are 12. Furthermore, I will divide 2 by 2 30 times, by 2 15 times, then by 3 5 times, then by 5 1 time. So look, 2 is coming 3 times, 3 is coming only one time, 5 is coming one time. So maximum power for 2 is 3, maximum power for 3 is 1, and for 5 also it is 1. So either you can first multiply whatever the number you are getting, you will be factorizing it. But that will not be the shortcut way. The shortcut way is something else for which we will be looking to other example. Okay, let's take the help of this big number. Find the maximum power of a prime number in 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 till 13. That means in short it is 13 factorial. So इसको भी अगर ये ऐसे लिखा हुआ है तो थोड़ा बहुत इजी हो जाएगा that method by this one, by writing the each and every composite number into this way with the help of product. So 2 to the power 1, here I have 3 to the power 1. This can be written as 2 multiply 2. This is 5. This can be written as 2 multiply 3. This is 7. This can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. This can be written as 3 multiply 3. This is 2 multiply 5. This is 11 only. This is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. And this is 13 itself. So how many times 2 is coming? Maximum power of 2. Look, how many times 2 is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 to the power 10, that means 10 is the maximum power. Similarly, we have to check it for 3 as well. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 3 to the power 5, that means maximum power for 3 is going to be 5. Now the next prime number is 5. So for 5, the maximum power here we have 5 ones, here we have twice. So 2 will be the power. 5 square we will be writing it as. Then we have after 5 next prime number is 7, right? So here we have 7, no more 7 we have, so 7 has only 1 as the maximum power, 7 to the power 1 it is. Then for the next prime number I will be doing it here. For 8, 8 is not the prime number, 9, 10 are not the prime number, 11. 11 has the maximum power 11 only. 12 is a composite number and 13 has the maximum power 1 only. So sorry, 11 has the maximum power 1. Okay, because in this we are getting 11 to the power 1 and 13 to the power 1. So in short, इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई करके जो नंबर आएगा उसको हम प्राइम फैक्टर्स की हेल्प से ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power 10. Let me change the color here. Yes, 2 to the power 10 multiply 3 to the power 5 multiply 5 to the power 2 multiply 7 to the power 1 multiply 11 to the power 1 multiply 13 to the power 1. Like this we can write. I hope it's easy for us to understand. But ये मेथड भी उतना कन्वीनियंट नहीं है कि एक एक जो नंबर है उसको हम फैक्टराइज करते जाए. 12 को करें, 10 को करें, 7 को करें, 8, whatsoever the numbers we have. What about when the question will come 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 multiply till 999? It's not practically possible for each and every number. So here we have another method, that is अगर हमको maximum power of 2 find करना है, maximum power of 2 in which number? अब ये नंबर को तो शॉर्ट में लिख भी नहीं सकते, हमको ऐसे लिखना पड़ेगा 1 multiply 2 multiply. So another representation, exactly we have 13 factorial. 13 factorial. Factorial में क्या नंबर है? 13. जो भी नंबर है, okay, whatever is the number here, that number will be divided कि हमको पावर क्या निकालनी. अगर पावर 2 की पावर निकालनी है तो 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे, एक कोशेंट मिलेगा. फिर नेक्स्ट स्टेप में ये जो कोशेंट आएगा, कोशेंट 1 आई एम गिविंग द नेम, कोशेंट 1 को भी 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, कोशेंट 2 मिलेगा. फिर नेक्स्ट स्टेप में कोशेंट 2 को 2 से और डिवाइड करेंगे. ऐसे तब तक करते जाएंगे जब तक हमको लास्ट में कोशेंट 1 नहीं मिल जाता. 1 या फिर ऐसा नंबर जो ये जो जिससे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं उससे छोटा नहीं है, राइट? अभी 2 से छोटा तो 1 ही होता है, इसलिए मैंने 1 बोला. बट वो जब तक डिवाइड हो रहा है तब तक हम करते जाएंगे. ओके, सो until until the quotient is lesser, quotient जो है वो less than the, ये denominator जो है, denominator let's say prime number, whatsoever the prime number we have considered. So पहले 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, मैं यहाँ p लिख रही हूँ, जो भी प्राइम नंबर की वैल्यू हमको फाइंड करना है उसके लिए प्राइम नंबर. अगर मैं मैक्सिमम पावर ऑफ प्राइम नंबर, अगर मैं प्राइम नंबर 2 के लिए कर रही हूँ तो मैं हर बार 2 से डिवाइड करूंगी. प्राइम नंबर 3 के लिए कर रही हूँ तो हर बार 3 से डिवाइड करूंगी. प्राइम नंबर 5 के लिए करूंगी, 4 के लिए तो कर नहीं सकते बिकॉज 4 इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. सो लेट्स लुक टू दिस मेथड. आपको सिंपली 13 को पहले 2 से डिवाइड करना है. 13 2s आर 6. पहला क्वेश्चन मिल गया मुझे, क्वेश्चन 1. देन आई विल बी गेटिंग क्वेश्चन 2, देन क्वेश्चन 3, एज मेनी क्वेश्चंस. सो 13 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, मुझे पता है 13 को जब मैं 2 से डिवाइड करती हूँ तो 2 6 12 होता है. रिमाइंडर जो भी बच रहा है उसको छोड़ दो, वो पूरा पूरा डिवाइड ना भी हो चलेगा. वी ओनली हैव टू लुक फॉर द क्वेश्चन, नॉट टू द रिमाइंडर्स. ओके, सो इसको डिवाइड किया तो यहाँ पर मुझे 6 मिला. अभी फिर से ये जो नया क्वेश्चन आया इसको मैं 2 से डिवाइड करूंगी. 2 3s 6 होता है. फिर ये जो नया क्वेश्चन आया इसको मैं फिर से 2 से डिवाइड करूंगी. 2 1s 2, राइट. ये एक और बार डिवाइड हुआ. 2 1s 2. अभी 3 को जब मैंने 2 से डिवाइड किया तो 2 1s 2, रिमाइंडर कुछ भी मिले, क्वोशंट जो आया है, देखो क्वोशंट, लुक क्वोशंट इज लेस देन द प्राइम नंबर. 1 इज लेस देन द प्राइम नंबर 2 हियर. अगर हम प्राइम नंबर 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो वहां पर ये जो 1 आ रहा है या जो भी क्वोशंट आ रहा है वो 3 से छोटा होना चाहिए. इट कैन बी 1 2 एनीथिंग, राइट. अभी सिंपली वी हैव टू कीप ऑन एडिंग. नेक्स्ट रूल आई एम राइटिंग हियर, एड ऑल क्वोशंट्स. क्वेश्चन 1 2 3 सबको ऐड कर लो. 6 + 3 + 1, 6 + 3 9 + 1 10. सो 13 फैक्टोरियल में लुक 2 to the power 10 मतलब 2 कितनी बार आ रहा है, 10 times. According to this solution also we are getting 2 to the power 10 only while expressing 13 factorial. And here also we got 2 has maximum power. So maximum power of 2 in 13 factorial is 10, right? Similarly, we have to find the maximum power of 3. So maximum power of 3 in 13 factorial. Simply 13 will be divided by 3, right? 3 4s are 12. 4 times it is divisible, quotient 1 I am getting. 4 times. 3 4s are 12. Then after dividing this 13 by 3, look 13 को मैंने 3 से डिवाइड किया. 3 4s are 12. अब ये 4 जो आया है इसको फिर से मैं 3 से डिवाइड करूंगी. 3 1s are 3 एंड रिमाइंडर इज 1. नेक्स्ट टाइम ये 1 क्वेश्चन दे रहा है मुझे, 3 1s are 3. So 1 is less than 3. That means I have to stop the division here itself. I got 2 quotient. First quotient was 4. Second quotient is 1. 4 plus 1 5. So maximum power of 3 in 13 factorial is 5. This will be my answer. Look, here also 3 to the power 5 I am getting. And here also the same thing. Maximum power of 3 in 13 factorial is 5. Now, maximum power of 5 in 13 factorial. So here also we will keep on adding the quotients, whatever. So 13 divided by 5, 5 2s are 10. We got 2, which is lesser than prime number 5. So जैसे ही हमको क्वोशंट जो है वो प्राइम नंबर जिससे हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं छोटा मिल जाए, दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू स्टॉप द डिवीजन देयर इटसेल्फ. सो एक ही क्वेश्चन मिला है इस बार तो सम किसका लेंगे. दैट मीन्स द मैक्सिमम पावर ऑफ 5 in this 13 factorial is going to be 2. What is the maximum power here? 2. 5 square, that means 2 only. For 7, let me do here itself. 13 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. So 7 power 1 only we have. 11 power 1. 13 will be divided by 11. So 11 ones are 11. So we will be getting the quotient 1, which is lesser than the prime number 11. Then 13 ones are 13. Here also the quotient is 1, which is less than 13. So 1, 1, 1 everywhere we are getting. Now let's look to the next example. What we have to do here, we have to find the maximum power of 2. हमको 2 की भी maximum power निकालना है, 3 की भी, 4 की भी, 5 की भी, 6 की भी, 7, 8, 9, 10. अभी इनकी तो निकल नहीं सकती, right? That is why for confusion only I wrote this. What should be the maximum power of 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10? जो भी नंबर लिखे हमको इसमें से सारे कॉम्पोजिट नंबर को एलिमिनेट कर देना है. We only have to be focused about the prime number, right? So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13 in 200 factorial. So 200 को मैंने अगर 2 से डिवाइड किया, so I will get the first quotient 100. 100 divided by 2 gives me second quotient 50. 50 divided by 2 gives me third quotient 25. 25 divided by 2 gives me the next quotient 12. 12 divided by 2 gives me next quotient 6. 6 divided by 2 gives me next quotient 3. 3 divided by 2 gives me next quotient 1, which is less than 2. So I'll stop my division here itself. What quotients I got? So maximum power of 2 in 200 factorial is 100 plus 50 plus 25 plus 12 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1. Let's quickly add. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 12, 22. 22 plus 25 is 47. 47 plus 50 is 97. 97 plus 100, 197. That means जो भी ये नंबर है 200 फैक्टोरियल, वी डोंट नो कि 200 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 199 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 198 टिल 1 व्हाट वी विल बी गेटिंग. बहुत बड़ा नंबर मिलेगा. जब उसको फैक्टराइज करेंगे उसमें 2 की पावर क्या होगा 197. लुक इट्स सो इजी. आपको सिर्फ जो नंबर फैक्टोरियल में लिखा है उसको उस प्राइम नंबर से डिवाइड करना है जिसकी पावर आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. सो फर्स्ट विल डिवाइडेड बाय 2. जो क्वेश्चन मिलेगा उसको फिर 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, फिर 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. ऐसे कब तक करना है जब तक क्वोशंट 2 से छोटा नहीं हो जाता. ओके, एंड देन all the quotients will be added together to get the final, or we can say maximum power of that prime number. Similarly, maximum power of 3 in 200 factorial is, what will be the maximum power here? That we will be calculating. So 200 divided by 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, remainder 2, again 3 6s are 18. Then by 2, it is again divisible 22 times. Then by 3, 7 times. Then again by 2, 3 2s are 6. Now 2 we got, and 2 will not be divisible by 3. So we'll stop the division here itself. Now quickly we'll add all the quotients. 66, 22, 7 plus 2. Let's add it. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Carry over 1. 6 plus 2 plus 1 is 9. So maximum power of 3 in 200 factorial is 97. What is the maximum power here? 97 is the maximum power of 3 in 200 factorial. Right? Now we will be looking for 5 factorial, for 5 also. What is the maximum power of 5 in 200 factorial? So 5 4s are 20. Again by 5 8s are 40. Again by 5 1s are 5. Remainder is 3. So 40 plus 8 plus 1 is 49. Maximum power of 5 is 49. Right? 40 plus 8 plus 1. 49. So maximum power of 5 in 200 factorial is 49. Now maximum power of 7 in 200 factorial is going to be what? 200 divided by 7. Right? 7 twos are 14. Remainder is 6. 7 eights are 56. Right? Again by 7 we will be dividing it. 7 fours are 28. Now by this 4 will not be divisible by 7. Right? 7 से और divide नहीं होगा. So 28 plus 4, 32 will be the maximum power of 7. Similarly, we have to find the maximum power for 11. So maximum power for 11 in this. Here it is 32. For 11 it will be what? That we have to check. So 200 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11. 9 is remainder. 90. That means 88 can be taken. Then again by 11. 11 ones are 11. Right? So 18 plus 1 gives me 19. That means the maximum power for 11 is 19. We can find it for the next prime number 13, which is the last one here according to question. So 200 divided by 13. 13 ones are 13. Remainder is 7. 13 fives are 65. Then again by 13 one time. So 15 plus 1, 16. That means maximum power of 13 in 200 factorial is 16, right? So this way we calculated how can we find out the maximum power of any number if the number is too big. But उसको भी हमने शॉर्टकट तरीके से कर लिया. We have multiple methods. I have shown you कि वो जो नंबर है 200 मल्टीप्लाई 199 मल्टीप्लाई 198 उसमें हर एक प्रोडक्ट के हर एक छोटे छोटे नंबर्स को हम फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं. But that will be a lot of time taking. So we have this method here which is the time savior for us. Let's look to many more examples. Another example here we have find the value of A, B, C and D in factorial 120 where A is what? 2 to the power. B is 3 to the power something something. 5 to the power C and 7 to the power D. That means in short question को indirectly आपको दिया हुआ है. They just want to ask you what is the maximum power of 2, 3, 5, 7 in factorial 120. So we have to find out maximum power of 2, 3, 5, 7 in 120 factorial. Factorial 120, right? So for that, what we will be doing? For 2 factorial, I will be dividing it by 120 divided by 2 gives me 60 upon 2. 60 will be the quotient. Then 60 divided by 2, 30 times it will be divisible. 30 divided by 2, 15 times it will be divisible. 15 divided by 2, 2 sevens are 14. Then 7 divided by 2, 2 threes are 6. 3 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2. Now 1 is the quotient which will not be divisible furthermore. So 60 plus 30 plus 15 plus 7 plus 3 plus 1. 7 plus 3 is 10. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 plus 30 plus 10. So 16 plus 10, 26. 26 plus 30, 56. And 56 plus 60 is 116. So in 120 factorial, 120 factorial, if we express it, we will be getting 2 to the power 116. Quickly we have to add it. Okay. Then we have the next number 3. So 120 divided by 3, 3 fours are 12. 30 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3. Remainder is 1, 3 threes are 9. Then again 3 by 3 it will be divisible 4 times, 3 fours are 12. Then again by 3, 3 ones are 3. And remainder is also 1. So we got 40 plus 13 plus 4 plus 1. 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 1, 18, 18 plus 40 is 58. So 40, 13, 4, 1 gives us 58. That means 3 to the power 58. Then multiplied by, we have to find the power for 5 as well. So 120 divided by 5 gives me 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, right? It is completely divisible. Now 5 4s are 20. Now furthermore division will not be possible because 4 को मैं 5 से divide करूंगी तो 5 zeros are करना पड़ेगा, जो कि हो नहीं सकता, right? लोगी भी तो क्वेश्चन चेंज नहीं हो रहा है ना. माई टारगेट इज टू गेट द क्वेश्चन, दैट्स इट. सो 24 plus 4, 24 plus 4 gives me 28. That means this can be written as 5 to the power 28. Okay. Then for the next number is 120 divided by next prime number 7. So 7 ones are 7, remainder is 5. 50. 7 sevens are 49, right? 17 sevens are 119. Okay. Now again 17 will be divisible by 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. So it will be divisible 2 times only. So 17 plus 2 gives me 19. That means 7 to the power 19 I have. Okay. What will be the power of 7? 19. So 2 to the power 116, 3 to the power 58, 5 to the power 28, 7 to the power 19. That means we got the value for A, B, C, D. Value for A is 116. Value for B is 58, I guess. Yes. Value for C is 28 and value for D, that means the power of 7, is 19. So 112, 58, 28, 19 will be the answer here. What are the values for A, B, C, D? The values for A, B, C, D is 116, 58, 28 and 19. I hope it's easy for us to understand. How we will be applying it to get the value for number of zeros, that also will be looking. That is so easy. Here itself I can show you, but for that we have few examples here. Let's practice how to find out the maximum power and then we'll simplify it. So here we do not have to find the maximum power actually of any prime number because it's written as find the value of x. x की मैं ऐसी क्या वैल्यू रखूं कि वो completely divide हो जाए. That means in short, अगर न्यूमरेटर जो है फैक्टोरियल 219, उसमें 7 की पावर ऐसी कितनी आ रही है उसके अकॉर्डिंग मैं x की वैल्यू डिसाइड करूंगी, राइट? उतनी ही होगी एक्चुअली. सो फैक्टोरियल 219, दैट मीन्स मुझे 219 को 7 से डिवाइड करना है. 7 3s are 21, 7 1s are 7. Again 7 4s are 28, right? 7 5s are 35 because so 31 plus 4, that means 35. तो न्यूमरेटर में अगर मैं इसको जब एक्सप्रेस करूंगी फैक्टोरियल 219 को, so this gives me 2 to the power something something. I don't know that. 3 to the power, 2 to the power nothing it will be because 9 is there at the end, right? 3 to the power something something. 5 to the power I don't know what. And then 7 to the power x. So sorry, this is factorial, so 2 की power भी कुछ ना कुछ होगी, right? Because it's not like 219 को हम factorize करें. It's like 219 multiply 218 multiply 217 ऐसे चल रहा है. तो 219 भले ही 2 से divide ना हो, but 218 has the divisibility. So at the end 7 to the power what? So according to the value, according to the calculation, 7 to the power 35 it should be. So value for x should be 35. जो भी फैक्टोरियल 219 को जब हम 7 की पावर के लिए कैलकुलेट करेंगे, so that we will be getting. Okay. Now the next example, which is actually very interesting, you will find it so useful. और यहाँ से आपको एक ट्रिक भी मिलेगी कि अब नंबर ऑफ जीरोस कैसे मिल सकते हैं. इससे आपको हेल्प मिल जाएगी. Those who can smartly use this trick, they will definitely get the idea about. Okay. So find the value of x. Again, ये question exactly it is same as the previous question. वहां पे 7 to the power x था, यहाँ पे 35 to the power x है. But the problem is हम 35 से divide नहीं कर सकते. Yes, the reason is 35 is not the prime number. बट वी नो दैट 35 को हम प्राइम नंबर की हेल्प से तो लिख सकते हैं ना, 5 मल्टीप्लाई 7, राइट। 35 को हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 5 मल्टीप्लाई 7। तो हम 5 की भी पावर्स निकाल लें, 7 की भी पावर्स निकाल लें, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल डिसाइड कि कितने पेयर्स है 5 और 7 के। अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल डिसाइड व्हाट शुड बी द पावर ऑफ 35। सो लेट्स बिगिन। What we will be doing, we will find out the maximum power of 5 and 7 in factorial 210. Okay, and for that we have to divide this 210 once by 5. 5 fours are 20, 5 twos are 10. Again by 5, 5 eights are 40. Again by 5, 5 ones are 5. So 42 plus 8 plus 1 gives me 51. That means this can be written as this 35 के लिए मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, 5 to the power 51 I am getting. 5 has 51 as the power. So 5 to the power 51. 42 plus 8, 50. 50 plus 1, 51. Now I will divide this 210 by 7 to get the power for 7. So 7 threes are 21 and 0 will be as it is. 7 fours are 28. No more division is possible. So 30 plus 4 gives me 34. Right? अभी 7 कितने टाइम्स आ रहा है? 7 has 35 as the power. Right? So sorry, 34. This is 34, not 35. Okay? 34. So 7 to the power 34. अभी मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि मेरे पास कुछ चॉकलेट्स है, मुझे उसको इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है। सो मैं उसके ग्रुप्स कैसे बनाऊंगी? ऑफ कोर्स जितने मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट्स है अकॉर्डिंगली, यहाँ पे एक ग्रुप में 51 चॉकलेट है, एक ग्रुप में 34 चॉकलेट्स है, तो मुझे कैसे ग्रुप्स बनाने पड़ेंगे? 34 34 के ग्रुप्स बनाने पड़ेंगे, राइट। दैट मीन्स हर बच्चे को एक चॉकलेट ये भी मिलनी चाहिए और एक चॉकलेट, तो हर किसी को 2 चॉकलेट मिल रही है। एक चॉकलेट जो है वो इस ग्रुप से मिल रही है, एक इस ग्रुप से मिल रही है। सो आई हैव टू मेक द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द मिनिमम पावर। 5 की पावर जो है 51 है, जो कि 7 की पावर 34 से बड़ी है। तो 5 और 7 के ऐसे कितने पेयर्स है जो हमको 35 देंगे? 5 मल्टीप्लाई 7 ही। तो 5 तो हमारे पास में बहुत सारे हैं, पर 7 तो कम है ना, तो हम 7 बढ़ा तो नहीं सकते, बट 5 कम जरूर कर सकते हैं। बाकी के 5 हम एक्स्ट्रा रख सकते हैं। सो दिस 210 फैक्टोरियल में जो भी 2 की पावर्स है और 3 की पावर्स है, 5 की पावर 51 एंड 7 की पावर 34 है, इसमें से मैंने 5 की पावर 34 और 7 की पावर 34 को ले लिया, और बचे हुए 5 जो है, कितने 5 बच रहे हैं? 17, राइट। 17 5 जो है वो बच गए, तो 5 की पावर 17 को मैंने सेपरेट कर दिया। तो ऐसे कितने 35 पॉसिबल है मेरे पास में? 34 35 पॉसिबल है। मतलब 5 मल्टीप्लाई 7 गिव्स मी 35 और 35 की पावर 34। ऐसे 34 टाइम्स में 35 ले सकती हूँ। वाई? बिकॉज 7 आर लेसर इन क्वांटिटी। ऑफकोर्स जो जितना बड़ा नंबर होगा उसकी क्वांटिटी कम होगी। 2 के नंबर ज्यादा हो गए, इसमें 3 के थोड़े कम हो गए, 5 के उससे कम हो गए, 7 के उससे कम हो गए। ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा कि 11 के ज्यादा है 7 से। नो, 7 के ज्यादा हो गए 11 के कंपैरेटिव, क्योंकि नंबर बाद बाद में आते जा रहा है, राइट। सो फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द वैल्यू फॉर x? द वैल्यू फॉर x इज 34. वाई? क्योंकि 35 के मेरे पास में कंप्लीट पेयर आई एम एबल टू मेक ओनली 34। बाकी के 5 मेरे पास एक्स्ट्रा है, बट आई हैव द शॉर्टेज ऑफ 7 एक्चुअली। मेरे पास और अगर कहीं से 7 होते तो मैं उसके भी पेयर 5 के साथ में लेकर बना देती, पर 7 ही कम है। 5 तो मेरे पास बहुत एक्स्ट्रा है, 17 एक्स्ट्रा 5 आई हैव। सो दिस वे यू कैन मेक द पेयर फॉर 2 and 5 ऑल्सो, क्योंकि 2 मल्टीप्लाई 5 हमको 10 देता है। सो ये क्वेश्चन जो था, यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन आया था जिसमें हमको कॉम्पोजिट नंबर की भी पावर्स निकालनी थी। हियर 4 की पावर, तो 4 की पावर निकालना मतलब 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2, तो 2 के ग्रुप्स करने हैं, 2 2 के 2 के ग्रुप करने। तो यहाँ पे टोटल 2 कितने टाइम्स है? 197। इसके आधे आधे ग्रुप कर दो, एक 2 एक्स्ट्रा बचेगा, दैट मीन्स 196 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 gives me 2 9s are 18, 8 2 8s are 16. So 98 टाइम्स 4 आने वाला है इसमें। 4 कितने टाइम्स आएगा? 98 टाइम्स, और एक 2 एक्स्ट्रा बच रहा है, उसके साथ में पेयर अप नहीं हो पा रहा है, इसीलिए 4 नहीं बन पा रहा है। ऐसे ही 6 के लिए, सो 6 के लिए 2 और 3 का कॉम्बिनेशन लेना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज 6 कैन बी रिटर्न एज 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3। सिमिलरली फॉर 8, 2 टू द पावर 3, सो 3 टाइम्स 2 का एक पूरा सेट हमको 8 दे रहा है। 9, that means 3 multiply 3. So likewise, smartly also we have to work somewhere. So this way we have seen how can we find out the power of power of a prime number, maximum power of a prime number, right? So I hope you understood this method. When we have to divide, when not we have to divide, when we have to factorize, जब फैक्टोरियल वाला फॉर्मेशन हमको दिख रहा है, या तो वो स्प्लिट फॉर्म में होगा इफ द नंबर इज स्मॉल, और डैश डैश करके भी हो सकता है, 1 मल्टीप्लाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई 3 मल्टीप्लाई 4 मल्टीप्लाई डैश 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 1999। That means we have to find the value for the maximum power of all the prime number for 1999 factorial. So उस केस में हम 1999 को 2 से डिवाइड करते जाएंगे एंड विल कीप ऑन गेटिंग द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। जो क्वेश्चन आएगा उसको फिर से 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मिलेगा। ऐसे तब तक करना है जब तक क्वेश्चन प्राइम नंबर से छोटा नहीं हो जाता, जब तक डिवीजन पॉसिबल है, दैट मीन्स तब तक। सो ऐसे करते करते जो भी सारे क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे हम उस 2 से डिवाइड करने वाले, सिर्फ उन सबको ऐड कर लेंगे एंड देन विल गेट द पावर फॉर 2, मैक्सिमम पावर फॉर 2। I hope you understood this method and you will definitely going to do the practice, right? So please practice enough for all the examples. Wherever you find the examples in the reference book, in your practice book, please practice it. And you can ask your doubt in the comment box. And do not forget to like my video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon button. And of course, you have to share my video to your friends, family, and your relatives so that they will also get the benefit of all these shortcut methods. So do not forget to practice. Keep on practicing. Take care of yourself. Bye everyone.